Here's a great deal on a 2017 Nissan Maxima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, and a blind spot monitoring system. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 11 speakers, yielding maximum audio versatility. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Nissan's comprehensive certification process, including a comprehensive 156-point inspection. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.